Hi, this is Heather Jensen, and I am wanted to talk to you about CSS animations today. So, just a couple of things that I wanted to show you today. Just want to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. But really, I mean, we've all seen the bad and the ugly, so mostly the good. Here is a piece of I didn't even know you could do this with CSS animations. It's pretty darn cool. So, you can actually make, sorry, apparently it's not going to work for me. There you go. So submarine, move the bubbles, and it's amazing the amount of code this actually took. It was about 6 pages worth. Like I said, I didn't even know that you could do this with CSS animations. I guess it makes sense if the name's animation, right? Pretty impressive. Don't know if I understand or understood a lot of it. So another thing that you can do, and this I think would be really great for our site that we are working on, is just make your buttons a little bit more exciting. I think by doing this, it kind of just takes your page or your app to the next level. So I thought that was a kind of a fun thing. So what I worked on this week is I worked on a couple of different buttons, and then I actually made like a slider. So to show you really quick what it's going to look like at the end. Right here. So this is my unordered list. And here's my buttons that I created. So I took some existing code and kind of just made it my own. The circles were too large and they were shifted to the right and moved everything. And then on this one is a really simple slider. I think that's a great, especially for a mobile app. It could be great. So as far as the code goes, I started off with my HTML unordered list down here, just input. Then I started my CSS. So this is the first one. That is the unordered list. I learned a lot about so transitions and transforms to make these work. And then second one, again, use the transition, the transform, and the attribute, hover before, and all of that. And then the last piece, it's a lot more complicated. So this is the toggle radio. So you've got the input and the label and the actual slider. This is the actual slider right here. So that was a lot of fun and a lot of work, and I really enjoyed working on it. And that's kind of what I've been doing this week. Thanks.